Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're brand new, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay here. I am so excited because we are going to be diving in to the new Sunflower collection from Colourpop. I have everything and I am so excited to use it. This was actually the look that I created, so if you want to see how I achieved this look and what my thoughts are on this product and if you should get it or not, feel free to just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start out with the Little Ray of Sunshine palette. This is the first palette, at least I'm pretty sure this is the first palette, that is all matte shades from Colourpop. And I like it because like it has this like little, like you could feel it, like the indentions, like it pops out. And the back does the same thing with the colors. It's so cute. So I'm going to go and start off with this beautiful orange or yellow shade that's directly in the center of the palette. Ooh, look at that pigment. Wow. This is so pretty. Like, look at that pigment. That's so pretty. And now I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I'm going to use this for my crease. These literally just like pick right up on the brush. Like, they're so pretty. Ooh. Now I'm just trying to do like a fun smoky eye look. I'm just not trying to do anything too crazy. Just kind of want to do a fun fall look. Y'all, by the way, I don't know if you guys have ever played this before, but last night I used Box VR, which is like a virtual reality boxing game, and I used the game Just Dance. And I literally feel like I went through a boot camp workout. Like everything. Like there's muscles in my body that I didn't know existed are so sore. So sore. Side note. So if you hear me like, ugh, while I move or twist or something, that's probably why. I'm now going to go in with this light shade right here as a underbrow highlight shade. These mattes are so creamy and they really blend. But honestly, Colourpop, like they never do bad shadow. I've never seen anything from Colourpop that I was like, eh. I've always loved everything I've seen from Colourpop. I'm gonna take this color and kind of blend out the crease a little bit. And next up are the two Super Shock shadows. We have the color Flower Child and we have the color In Harmony. I'm so excited about these. Look at that. For one, look at the packaging. Like, they're so cute. And this is the color Flower Child. And this is the color In Harmony. I'm going to use Flower Child, and I'm just going to do like a little bit of a halo eye and in my inner corner. Oh. Can y'all see that? Wow. Wow, she's pretty. You know what? I think I'm going to use the other one too because I love their Super Shock shadows, and this is just too pretty. I love this color. Oh my God. So we're gonna also use some In Harmony. I know I already showed you this, but it's just too pretty to not show. So I'm actually gonna put this over here and let it go into the sides. To like surround the halo a little bit, just to give that yellow a little gold glitter effect. It's so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna go under my waterline and I'm gonna use this color right here. Can y'all hear that? I don't know if y'all can hear that, but I don't know if they're moving upstairs or what, but all day I've been hearing like moving. And so if y'all hear some moving, sorry, I'm in a condo. There's pluses and negatives with that. All right. So now on top of Super Shock shadows and matte palettes, we also have 2 gel liners. So this is in Sub-Zero, and I look at the sunflowers, they're so cute. And then Sunnyvale. I really like the name Sunnyvale too, because there was like a while where I lived in Sunnyvale, California. So Sunnyvale. So I'm gonna go in and line the top of my eyes with Sunnyvale, which is this pretty brown color. They also make like the most amazing gel liners. Like they're just so creamy, and they just like, they're smooth and they're just easy to work with. Like, oh, it's so pretty. And now we're gonna go in with the color Sub-Zero, and I'm gonna line the water line, like right on top of where I put this brown shade. I feel like this bottom line looks lash line looks a little deeper, so I'm gonna just put some more lash liner on my other side. All right, so they didn't provide me with mascara, which is totally fine. I'm gonna go in with my Lash Princess mascara from Essence, and we're gonna put some lashes on. So they also came out with a shimmering dry oil from Soul Body in this collection. This color is in the shade Lemon Drop. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna actually put some right here on my neck area. And what I'm using to apply it is actually my Soul Body Kabuki brush. This line is amazing. If you're looking for body shimmer, just like if you're going to the pool or just you wanna look sparkly, like this stuff not only smells amazing, but the formula is just like, I can't rave enough about this. Like, I literally put this on anytime I'm like out at the pool or the beach. Like, I love this. I love this. Love this. But I'll show y'all. This is brand new, so I'm gonna take a few pumps. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Ooh. Did y'all see that? Look at that. It smells so good. Ooh. maybe I'll put some as a highlight. Look at that, y'all. So I also came up with this Glow Up face oil from 4th Ray Beauty, but I'm probably gonna put this on before I go to bed. So if you guys wanna know my thoughts on this, let me know in the comment section. I'll let you know in my next video. And last but certainly not least are the 2 glossy lips they gave us. So I'm gonna show you swatches on them, then I'm gonna put one of them on my lips. So this is in the shade Always Sunny. This is very sheer, sparkly color. And this next beautiful color is called Sun Soaked. So pretty. And this is like this peachy sparkle color. Alright, so we're gonna go in with Colourpop's Sun Soaked, and we're gonna use this to gloss up the lips. I love, love, love their formulas. Because they're not super sticky at all. They're super shiny, super glossy, and just sparkly and pretty. Now I wanted to do this without any lip liner or lipstick on, just so you could see the true color of it itself, and it's great. It's great by itself, and it's also great with as a topper. And this is my final look for the Sunflower Collection with Colourpop. I really love the formula. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I would be a little not thrilled with the palette because I love mattes, but I'm obsessed with like shimmers and glitter and stuff like that. But literally, I'm obsessed with this palette. It has great fall colors. It's super blendable, easy to work with. They're all beautiful. They're not chalky, which I really, really love. And they just go pretty much effortlessly together. They did a really good job with the color story on it. They're Super Shock shadows. I've never not liked one of them. They're all freaking amazing. That's why I had to use both of them. Like, I'm obsessed. I'm going to be using them like all the time. And their glosses are incredible. Like, I love their lip stuff. I love literally almost everything they've come out with for the lips. It's just been great. As far as the Soul Body, the Shimmering Dry Oil, love that. I love their line. I have probably every color and every shade they've come out with just because, like, I love it. And I haven't tried their dry oil yet, but like I said, I'm going to use it tonight. And if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments, and I'll let you guys know what I think of it below. But I have used their other 4th Ray Beauty products, and they are great. So I highly recommend pretty much anything from Colourpop, Soul Body, or 4th Ray Beauty. At least anything that I have tried. I haven't really seen any misses with them. If anything is to occur, of course, I'll let y'all know. But so far, they've pretty much hit the nail on the head with everything I've personally tried. That I can think of anyway. So if this is something that you are interested in scooping up, they did launch today. And if you want to use the code 5SAM, you'll get $5 off your order. It's not an affiliate code to where I see any money, but it will just give you $5 off your order. So you guys can definitely use that. But I do love this collection, and I highly recommend every product I just tried. Like, the liners themselves are amazing. Like, amazing. Like, they're pigmented, they're creamy. I wear contacts, so I'm super sketch about certain gel liners, about pretty much any liner that will go in my waterline, and I've never had an issue with their liners. So totally recommend that. But yeah, if this is a video that you liked to see, please make sure you like this video down below. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I love to talk to you guys. I love to pick your brains and, you know, hear y'all's thoughts and really just kind of get your feedback. So please let me know what other kind of videos you would like below. And once I get to 1,500 subscribers, I will be doing a second giveaway. I had so much fun with the first giveaway. I cannot wait for the second giveaway. So please make sure to share my content, tell your friends about this channel, so that way we can be at that next giveaway sooner than we hope, or sooner than we think. So yeah, but I love talking to you guys. So thank you so much, and I will see y'all in the next video.